This microphone is the Yamaha YDM 505 and it is a handheld cardioid XLR stage dynamic without any switches on it. So this switchless modern microphone is brand new and sounds outstanding. I had a sneaking suspicion that a modern mic might outperform a lot of the older 70s, 80s and 90s dynamics and indeed condenser microphones. So this microphone, despite being a dynamic microphone, is very sensitive indeed. It is only set at 12 o'clock on my SSL2 preamplifier, which means that it is comparable in terms of the amount of gain that it requires to a lot of my condenser microphones. So this microphone, which is about £100 here in the UK, is outstanding. A very nice sounding cardioid standard dynamic handheld stage microphone. And this is how it sounds.